Hey friends, if you wish to fix MS settings personalization background error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, first of all, restart your computer. That should be the best fix. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart your computer. If this doesn't help, then press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. Now this will reset the cache for the Microsoft Store and reopen it. It will need a while to load because it's rebuilding the cache, and then your problem will be fixed. And if that doesn't help, then you will have to search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.